You can see it. Look at that. Beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you saw in the title, we're gonna be making micheladas. So here's a little backstory to that. So in Mexico, well in Chihuahua, where my mom's side of the family is, over there they make like the bombest micheladas ever. Like, I'm not lying, like, oh my gosh, like if you go to Chihuahua, you need to go to some place called Daibazos. The best. But it's not just any. Okay, to start off, the juice is super good, but what's amazing about it, they have like shrimp in it, and I guess it's beef jerky, but it's more drier over there. It's like carne seca. Okay, so it's bomb. The carne seca is bomb. The shrimp is bomb. The whole michelada is bomb. Obviously, you choose your own beef, so that's just your preference there. But everything else is just bomb. So today, I'm basically recreating that. Basically, yeah, I really am. So I went ahead and bought some carne seca, which I have right here, and it is so hard to find this, at least in my city. I had to go. I think I found it after all in La Azteca, but now it's easier because I know there's even places around here in like my area where now they actually sell the micheladas like that, but before they didn't. So they do that now, but I'm recreating the ones from Chihuahua. Whatever. I'm drifting off the topic. So they're bomb. So that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, we have the carne seca. I have the shrimp. It's all cooked already. And for the juice part, you will need some clamato, some Maggi, some Worcester sauce, some tahine, and then also tahine for the rim, and some chamoy for the rim. Or if you have the other ones, you know how now they sell like the special ones or whatever, you can get that too. Up to you on the rim. And then we have some limone and just some jalapenos to spice up. To spice up the sauce. And of course the beer of your choice, and that's it. So now we're just gonna get to it. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. Move the beer. So first we're gonna grab some of the clamato. Go ahead and open up. This is the one I get. If you have your own preference, you can do that. And we're gonna go ahead and pour about that much, which is about like 3/4 of a cup. We're gonna go ahead and add some Maggi. We'll pour in like 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we'll go ahead and add some of the Worcestershire sauce. So for this, we're gonna add like 1, 2, 3, 4-ish drops of the Worcester sauce. Now we're gonna add the limes. So we're gonna pour all 4 limes in here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and grab like 1, 2, and that's just so it could spice it up. So if you do not like spicy, you do not have to. Don't worry, I'll pick that up in a minute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna close it. So now I'm just mixing up the juice in there. Obviously, if I had the thingy, which I do, and I couldn't find it, you could just shake it, but we'll just mix it. Okay. Next, we have these 2 plates here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some tahine in there, and that's just for the rim. So we'll shake it a little, and then on this other plate, we'll go ahead and put some chamoy or whatever your choice of. And we'll just spread. Oops, that might be a little too much. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and rim. Does it fit-ish? That's good enough. Just give it a little twirl. And now for the tajín. So first we'll go like that. Oops. Obviously I'm struggling. There we go. Oops. And there's the cup. All full of the... Oof, that looks good. Okay, now we are at our final steps. So we go pour this. And let's hope it doesn't drip because it does not close properly. Oh, what a fail. Well, that was a fail. There, I cleaned it up. So now we go ahead and add some ice that I have all the way over there hidden. You don't have to add ice. There's some people that don't. I personally like it really cold. Oh. There we go. And then we're gonna... I couldn't find it. We're gonna... What a fail, right? We're gonna open one of the... I think you'll just need one beer by the looks of it. That one's usually just... You can fill it up again. Oh, I'll tell you in a minute. So... Oof, it's fizzing. Better go down a little bit. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. A little bit more. Let it keep fizzing. We'll be waiting here. While that's fizzing up, I'll just go ahead and show y'all. So for the shrimp, I don't just like to pour them in like that. You can, but not me. I just go ahead and add a little bit of tahini on them, literally. It's not a lot. Either way, they're going inside at the top of that. So there, only that much. Oops. Okay. Just a little bit more, and that's about it because we need to be able to fit this. Obviously, as you're drinking, you can pour more and more. I don't know why I got two, but I got two. Probably because I added the ice. If not, it would have fit. So then I'll just go ahead and add. It doesn't matter if it falls all the way in. So there we go. And there we go. So like it kind of looks like decoration or something. But you can drink it and eat it all at the same time. And now, obviously, if you're again serving it to someone, whoa, don't be touching that. But this is all for me. So just go ahead and start pouring all the shrimp all around and inside to your liking. You can put a lot or you can put a little. Me, I like chewing on them, so we're gonna put a lot. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. You can barely grab anything. There you go. Oops, one more shot. Well, oh. There we go. I had to move it around. So there y'all have it. A michelada like Chihuahuas. Micheladas. Beautiful. And this carne seca was good. I'm already dropping it. We're gonna ignore that. This carne seca is bomb. Look at that. It looks delicious. Look at how bomb this michelada looks. With the carne seca and the shrimp. Don't mind the ice. The ice kind of looks tacky. And don't mind my nails. They're not done. But look at that. Best thing ever. So there y'all have it. Well, that's it for today. We were able to pull off this what do you call it? Michelada. I don't know why I don't remember the name. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what to tell y'all. I am gonna say something. This michelada is for people that don't like clamato that much, because I am a hate clamato. So if you really like clamato, put more than 3/4 of the clamato and you'll be good. Other than that, it's bomb. The spiciness. And that's it. I'm just going to enjoy my michelada. And yeah, anyways, well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this michelada tutorial-ish. But what? Okay, sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all social media platforms. And if you have any suggestions on videos, let me know. I'll do anything-ish. And yeah. Bye, guys.